It is Monday. I'm working from home today. I was thinking about going to the office today, but I went to sleep a little bit late. Also, it was daylight savings, so I lost an hour, so I just really could not wake up early enough. I want to show you guys what my life looks like throughout the week while I'm working. So some days I'm working from home, some days I'm in the office, and just bringing you guys along on the little adventures that I take throughout the week. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. We have some marinated salmon that we prepped over the weekend, so I'm gonna eat that now. Let's go for a run. I just got home, just finished running 7K, and I felt really good about it. Literally last year when I was running this same route, I would probably get gassed out around kilometer 1 or 2, and I'm very happy with myself because I was able to do all of 7K, and I feel like I could have went further, which is crazy to me because I used to hate running and now I'm kind of okay with it. But I'm actually running a 10K in May, so that's why I've been trying to run more, and I've only been doing it on the treadmill since the beginning of this year, so it's really nice finally go outside and enjoy the nicer weather and daylight savings because the sun doesn't go down until 7, so very happy with that. Now Naoki and I just ordered some shawarma, so we're waiting for that to come. I'm so excited. Oh, look, garlic known. So just finished dinner and I'm moving on to doing some Spanish. I've been trying to learn Spanish for a little bit now. I've just been doing some Duolingo and I have another book with like some activities on there. But now I'm like really trying to like get into it. So I got this book from Asimil. But it's really cool because you kind of just read different conversations that's in the book and you say it out loud, and they also come with audios that I've been listening to as well. And then after that you answer the questions that they give, and they kind of just gets more difficult the further on that you get into the book. So I just started it. I'm only on lesson 11 right now, but I've been really liking it so far. I feel like I'm learning a decent amount, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Aki's just playing some COD in the background. But also, I've been using the app Anki, the flashcard app, to write down words that I don't know or words that like I'm struggling to remember. So that's been really helpful too, because at the end of the day I can just do study cards and then I'll go through them and try to remember what it means in English. It also comes with some really helpful notes at the bottom. So it's kind of explaining just like the grammar and how it works, which has been really helpful as well. Estoy hablando por teléfono con una amiga. No podías. Getting ready now to go over to Matt and Naoki's friend's place. She actually just moved downtown over the weekend, so we're going over there for a little housewarming and dinner. I'm pretty excited to see her place, and it's really nice because we have a lot of friends in the city already, and I feel like more and more of our friends are coming down as well. So it's pretty cool to have like all of our friends just in the same vicinity. It just makes things a lot easier to like hang out with. Also, that's why I bought the Sugar Daddy's mini donuts. I hope they like it. Honestly, I had them the other week and they were really good. So we're gonna go head over there soon. Look at our shoes. Same shoes.
Thanks for having us.
Happy housewarming. We just got back from our friend's place. It was such a nice night. We had carbonara for dinner, which was super good. But I just want to say thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun making this video. It's really nice to kind of just like romanticize my life, especially because having a 9 to 5, things kind of feel the same from day to day. So it's really cool having like these tiny little adventures every day, just like going to the grocery store, going to the gym, or seeing my friends. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.